So what exactly is YakChat? YakChat lets you send and receive texts from a fully embedded application within popular collaboration platforms like Microsoft Teams, WebEx, as well as from your browser. Our app works similarly to many other messaging apps and is designed to be as simple as possible to use. Over here is the messaging window, where you can see your conversations, and here's the chat window, where you can see the selected conversation and write new messages. Up here is where you can view and manage your contacts. And over here is where you can view and edit your settings, create and manage shortcuts, and choose your application style from light to dark mode. At the top of the app, you can select your chosen inbox. You can have multiple inboxes, which are each assigned a number, and we offer two inbox types. One is a personal inbox, where only one user is assigned to a number and works just like a mobile phone. The other is a shared inbox, where multiple users can be assigned to a single inbox and everyone can text using the same number. We also have a range of different number options. We can provision one for you, we can integrate with your own service provider such as Bandwidth, Twilio or Intelliquent, and we can SMS enable Microsoft Teams calling plan numbers so you can call and text on the same number within Teams. We can also hook you up with a direct routing option, which also allows you to call and text through Teams. The messaging panel is what you'll tend to see most often. As with other messaging apps, the primary panel shows the conversation history, and the toolbar down the bottom is where you can write your text. At the bottom of the toolbar, you'll find a few nice features. For instance, you can send attachments as MMS messages, including multiple images, GIFs, and PDF files. With our top-level plan, you can translate your inbound and outbound messages into 135 different languages. We also have shortcuts. These let you send private or company-wide pre-written responses, from disclaimers and marketing promotions to simple signatures. These help to speed up your workflow. And as well as searching and selecting a given shortcut, you can also input shortcuts by clicking the hash key and searching for them by name. The pull-out on the right has access to the contact panel and some other administrative features, such as exporting messages, customizing chat name, choosing a translation language, and more. Some of these features can also be accessed on the room list on the left. You can start a new conversation by first clicking the plus button. Then either type a number or choose a contact name. Then simply compose and send your text. But you'll see that more than one contact or group can be selected. In addition to simple one-on-one messaging, YakChat also provides the ability to do both broadcast and group messaging. Broadcast messages are where you send out the same message to two or more numbers or contacts, and a private chat will be created for each contact. A group chat is where all the recipients can collaboratively send and receive messages, and everyone in the group can see the responses for each contact. To ensure you can find your conversations, you can use the filter up here. Over here on the Contacts panel, you can create and manage YakChat contacts, but you also have access to your MS365 contacts, such as SharePoint, Outlook, or directory contacts. We use a live search for these contacts using the Microsoft Certified API, so it's important to note that we don't store your contact data. If you want to disable your users from using one of these contact options, no problem. This can be configured in the admin portal. In the YakChat contacts section, We have several features to make contact management easier. You can add a contact up here using the plus button. Once you're in the creation page, you'll be able to add all the usual contact information. Additionally, you're able to share contacts with either a selected inbox that you're a member of or with your entire company. You can also create contact groups, which can be shared with an inbox or your company so that your contacts can remain neatly organised. And you can add multiple contacts simultaneously. You can import up to 1,000 contacts at once by simply uploading a CSV file. We have two methods for receiving notifications of newly received messages, our Yak bot and connecting to Teams activity notifications. On personal plans, the bot will post directly into the chat panel of Teams. On shared plans, you can install the Yak bot directly into a Teams channel so that anyone in that channel can receive MFA codes. This is a really useful feature for MFA users on our MFA-enabled plans. Anyone in a team can request a verification code and receive it through this Teams channel. Alternatively, by selecting Activity Notifications, all your inbound text will appear in the Teams Activity section on the left-hand side. One advantage of Activity Notifications is that clicking on the notification pop-up or the notification in the Activity panel will take you directly to the chat within YakChat. If you want to use YakChat when you're on the go, then you can use YakChat through the Teams app on your iOS or Android device, or you can use our custom YakChat application by searching for Text 365 on the Apple App Store or Google's Play Store. In addition to the features we've already covered, we have several more features to meet your company's requirements, including the YakChat Power Automate connector to help you automate SMS flows and archive texts. Other archiving solutions in addition to Power Automate, including email archiving, Microsoft Azure Container, Webhook, and archiving services, including Smash and Global Relay via Nuclei integration. Finally, we also provide access to a YakChat admin portal with varying levels of access, which can be customised to meet your exact needs. Thanks for listening, and please do get in contact with us if you have any questions.